What if I told you an election happening right now could cost Tanzania over $1 trillion? This is Kenya News Update today. Coming up, you'll discover why Uganda's vote is a high-stakes gamble for its neighbor, and how a single pipeline could change the future of East Africa. But here's the twist. This isn't just about politics. It's about money, jobs, and the very roads you drive on. Meet Dr. Godbertha Kalikola, a trade economist at Mzumbe University. For her, today is a day of holding your breath. Uganda is Tanzania's biggest customer in the entire East African community. Every year, goods worth over $5 trillion flow north across the border at Mutukula. Cement, fuel, food, construction materials. Thousands of Tanzanian lives depend on that flow. But here's what nobody's talking about. Elections are a choke point. Any instability in Uganda immediately affects Tanzania's economy. Disruptions translate into delays, higher transport costs, and real losses for traders on both sides. And then something shocking happened. The story shifts from trade to a multi-billion-dollar lifeline, the East African Crude Oil Pipeline, or EACOP. This isn't just a project. It's a joint bet on the future, running from Uganda's oil fields in Hoima to Tanzania's port of Tanga. Investors are extremely sensitive to political risk, notes regional analyst Abdullah Oshino. Any prolonged unrest in Uganda would raise red flags, potentially slowing projects like EACOP and affecting Tanzania's long-term energy and revenue expectations. Here's the part that will blow your mind. Look at the economic scars left by disputed elections in parts of West and Southern Africa. Growth slows, jobs are lost, and it takes years to rebuild confidence. Uganda and Tanzania cannot afford that. Some draw cautious parallels with tensions witnessed in parts of Tanzania during last year's general election, where isolated unrest disrupted business and public services. The lesson is the same: political competition must not be allowed to unravel economic progress. The implications are massive. A peaceful election ensures continuity in logistics, customs clearance, and the vital transport corridors linking Dar es Salaam port to Kampala. But chaos has a high cost elsewhere in Africa, leading to capital flight and stalled development. The controversy is clear. Some say regional integration demands stability. Others whisper that the pressure is on to protect billions in investment. But here's the unanswered question. If the vote goes wrong, who pays the price? Is it the trader in Dar, the investor in London, or the family waiting for jobs from that pipeline? Do you think East Africa's economic future is too dependent on political stability? Drop your take in the comments. Subscribe to Kenya News Update today for more breaking news that connects the dots across our region.